Shimon, what are you doing?
A sandwich.
You making a sandwich?
Yeah.
For who?
For Sarah.
And how old are you?
4.5.
Okay, now are you ready to close the sandwich yet?
No. Not yet. Wait. Whoa.
I think that looks like enough cream cheese.
No.
Don't put on too much cream cheese, Shimmy.
What?
Okay, he's doing good.
Sorry when I cut it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, mommy, you cut it.
You want me to cut it?
No, I will cut it. Wait.
Okay, I think it's good. Close the sandwich.
No, I got it.
Yeah. Why don't we turn the bread around
Why?
so it fits? Okay.
Okay.
Go 1 second. He's very cute.
He's like picking up his head like this.
She's taking a picture of me that I make a sandwich.
Yeah.
Bobby, right here, I'm taking a video.
I'm taking a video.
Ah, that's funny.
Careful, Shimon. Okay, say bye. Shimon.
What? My potato.
Okay. Yofi.
Oh, you.
It's okay. Good.
You love me.
Okay, need help?
Yeah. Hey,
Good job. Say goodbye, Shim.
where's my sandwich?
It's in your sandwich box in your teak ready. Say goodbye.
I got the sandwich already.
Shimon, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Shimon. Shimon, say goodbye.
Goodbye.